Today we have a Labubu try-on haul. Hello beauties, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, hello and welcome. I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink videos. If that's something you like and are into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. I missed you all so much. I know it's been a while since I last filmed. I had a very small accident in one of my fingers, so I ended up getting stitches and it was like a whole thing. But I'm finally back and I'm so excited because I ended up getting an order that I placed from AliExpress. I ordered a bunch of clothes for my Labubus and I am so thrilled. So it's going to be kind of like a Labubu try-on haul. If you don't like Labubus, then I do have other kinds of videos, but I'm assuming if you're watching today's video is because you like Labubus like we do. And I also ended up getting an order from PopMart, 2 new Labubus, one from the macaroon collection and one from the Big Into Energy. Like, what? I can't believe I was able to get my hands on this one. I did do the pop now, so I do know which ones they are. So I'm still looking for more of the Big Into Energy because I really want to get the pink one. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, I did get 2 Labubus and here are the boxes. I did get one Big Into Energy and then I got the exciting macaroon. I'm so excited with these. I do have 2 of the exciting macaroons, but I don't have any Big Into Energy. So it is very exciting for me. And I did do the pop now. And I actually like doing the pop now because I feel like you get more chances of being able to get your hands on one of these since they are so popular and they're always sold out. I'm going to start off first with this one. By the way, this is the new packaging from PopMart. I like these better because you get like a little bag. We have Green Grape. He's absolutely adorable. I love this color. It's like a soft pastel green. We have Big Into Energy. I am looking for this one. And by the way, I ordered another one, but it's still being shipped. So I haven't received this one yet. It's on its way. Like I said, I did do the pop now. So I do know which one I got. Ta-da! So cute! I got 2 green ones and this one here is actually really pretty. I thought it was going to be like extra green, but this is actually like a minty green. It is so cute. Look at its little toenails. So pretty and it's so fluffy. It is very soft. I am so happy with my 2 Labubus. I can't believe I got 2 green ones, but they're very different and they're very cute. And I love the color on this one. It's like a tie-dye. Oh my gosh, I really want to get the pink one. So like I said, I did also order another one, but that should be coming in the mail in the next like week or so. And I can't wait to add it to my collection. But these are the 2 that I ended up getting. So take me to you. Take me to you. Take me to you. So those were all the cute outfits that I ordered for my Labubus from AliExpress. I've just had such good luck with them. I feel like lately, every time I order, it takes about 2 to 3 weeks, which is actually pretty good because normally it takes about a month, at least for myself. But I highly recommend it if you're looking for cute outfits and you don't want to spend like big bucks. I have seen so many people out there reselling the exact same outfits for $20 to $25 to even $30 an outfit, which is insane. I would never spend that amount of money on a Labubu outfit. So I just wait patiently and I pay no more than $5 per outfit. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, where do you find your little outfits for your Labubus? And I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.